Okay, so that was the melodic hook slash verse piano part to the song I'm Not Over You by Gavin Degraw. And this is going to be a pretty easy pattern in terms of your hands, because your both hands are playing at the same time, right? So you're not alternating and have to worry about that. So it doesn't take too much hand independence, but it's an interesting rhythm to kind of dissect. Okay, so the rhythm for this is pretty interesting. So basically you can look at it as two groups. You can see it as the B flat to the C minor, and then the G minor to the F. So the B flat to the C minor is going to take 8 beats, and the first 3 beats are going to be right on the downbeat, 1, 2, 3, right, and then everything after that is syncopated. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and right on that, starting on the and of 4, it becomes all syncopated. So it's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that C minor comes in on the and of 2. So the and of 4 and the and of 1 are both still B flat, and then the and of 2 and the and of 3 are C minor, as well as the and of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3. Then right on the G, right, it's the same thing from the G minor to the F. 1, 2, 3. You can kind of feel that syncopation, ba, 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 right? So it's kind of cool. You have this contrast between the first part of the rhythm pattern, which feels very solid, kind of like bump, 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 and then the rest of the rhythm pattern, which is very syncopated. You really feel the ands, right, of those beats. But that's it for this rhythm pattern. It's pretty simple. Bump, bump, bump. Okay, so that's it for this lecture. I would just practice this, slowly, and then get it up to a certain speed, and really get kind of that feeling of that syncopation really into your system, to where it just feels very natural, and you can kind of feel that difference. Okay, so that's it for this lecture. I will see you in the next one.